Hi guys, welcome to this video about what to do when hand sanitizer is sold out now everywhere. I have still this sample and a couple of them more, but yeah, we will run out of hand sanitizer also pretty soon. I've been in at Walmart, other supermarkets, they are not available anymore. And if you can maybe buy one, maybe a small thing, and if you are a big family, yeah, it's a little bit difficult. And so what to do? I mean, you can also search online, same thing. Usually you cannot order even that online, Amazon or so. What we have, of course, you can find a lot of instructions on YouTube and other pages how to make your own hand sanitizer using rubbing alcohol or isopropyl alcohol. Yeah, that works. No problem with that. I think the main ingredient here is the same thing here, but the problem is, yeah, these things are mainly sold out as well. When you go to Walmart, that's Equate, yeah, same thing. These shelves are completely empty and also really difficult to find it online, except you're willing to pay a lot of money. So what I am doing now, so I am currently using this thing here. See? So works pretty well on my hand, but has it any kind of positive effect on viruses? So you have to decide on your own. What is it inside? 225 ppm colloidal silver. What is that? I mean, colloidal silver, yeah, we know. We can buy it on Amazon. I mean, here there's one thing which I always buy, TerraSilver 225 ppm. That's silver. If you put 2 silver rods into water, put electricity on it, leave it running, and then some of the silver will go into the water. So that's basically what this is. This is highly concentrated, of course, costs $50, but it's definitely worth for me. So can we call this as antivirus? I mean, we know coronavirus is a virus, so does it work against virus? Yeah, we cannot call this antiviral anymore since I think 1908, when US has started to regulate the food and drug market. It is not working anymore. I mean, for thousands of years, hundreds of years, it has been working, and in 1908 it has stopped working. I mean, yeah, at least we cannot call it antibacterial, antiviral, antifungus anymore. We can only call it a supplement. That's the fact. But that's only in US. In other countries, you can probably call it antiviral, antifungus, and so on. It's crazy, yeah. So, but anyway, we are in US. We have to follow US rules. So I cannot call this antiviral anymore. You have to do your own research. Go on Google, search for colloidal silver antiviral capabilities, and you will find a lot. I can tell you, you'll find a lot from a lot of universities and a lot of companies, lots of studies you will find everywhere, but not from US anymore, of course. Yeah, there are other companies who want to make business. There is also gel available. Here I have a gel. Here I have also some kind of gel, ASAP 365. I've been using that for a long time, has always been working good for me, but you have to find out. I cannot tell you if it's working for you. I'm not allowed to tell you anything. I can just say you can definitely take this with you on travel and spray it on your hand, and easily, like same thing as you would do with hand sanitizer, you can just put it on your hands and then do something. By the way, how I'm also using this thing is that I do inhale that. I'll definitely, yeah, like after using public transportation, after being in a shopping center where people are coughing and sneezing and so on, I'll do a couple of sprays, inhale in my mouth and then take a deep breath or spray it. Even this is nice thing. I'll also spray this directly into my nose and then inhale it from there. I mean, it's a little bit uncomfortable. If you spray it into your nose, you will have like a running nose for 2 or 3 minutes, a little bit, but after that, yeah, it will be much better. You can really feel that. I always have been using that last couple of years whenever I had a running nose from whatever it was, I think virus whatsoever, maybe hay fever or so, and I've been outside in the spring. I took this, and after about 5 minutes everything was stopped. Never had running nose anymore since couple of years since I've been using that. You have to decide what it does. I have just one more information for you. Like 10 or 20 years ago, it's really surprising that we had a lot of problems with viruses as well, like SARS and other things. It was crazy. It was there were just a lot of crazy viruses around killing people, and then companies have started to produce keyboards and things, a lot of especially computer parts which has colloid or like a silver nanoparticle coating. It has a little bit, these products have a little bit disappeared because there was no demand, there haven't been crazy viruses around, but I wouldn't be surprised if they come out again with these things, because their claim was that if they coat like a keyboard with nano silver, it would kill bacteria, viruses whatsoever. So I cannot tell you more. I just give you this hint, and you can still buy it. You can still buy the silver. You can buy even the Terra silver. You can buy the thing here. Or if you think it's too expensive for you, what you can do, you can buy such a thing, colloidal silver generator. It costs about $70. At the moment it's a little bit difficult to get, but anyway, I'll put down all the links to everything which I was showing to you here into the description, so you can check them out, order them right away if you like some of this stuff. The colloidal silver generator, yeah, it's a little bit hard to find, but still I would try the link which I provide to you. I would still check it out and find out if they are still available. This is the thing which has been around for about 8 years. Highest ratings. They have changed the power supply, but I guess that's no problem, but I still have to check it out. I haven't produced any of my own colloidal silver. I will do that, and I will also do that on this channel and let you know how it turned out, how it looks, how it works for me. And if you want to know that, just subscribe to my channel. I will definitely make more videos about that, and probably also more about colloidal silver. So that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.